Hey everyone, and welcome back. Just wanted to show you how to change the battery or put a battery into a Behringer guitar pedal. First of all, you'll remove the item, and you'd think that, well, on Boss there's a screw back here. You unscrew it and it just pops up and the battery is there. The battery compartment is inside, and you put it back down and screw that thing and away you go. So there's two screws here, two screws there, and that'll get access to the bottom of the pedal, but that's not what you need to do. The way you get at the pedal is you need a small little pin or a very small screwdriver of some sort, and as you see there's some pins here, right here and here. So I'm just going to push in on that pin and kind of put it off to one side. You see the pin is locked down inside there. Go to the other side, same thing, push it in and gently remove the cover, and there is your battery plug. I'm going to put my battery in, make sure it's good and secure, and there we go. The spring is not in the way of the wire, and just take the pedal. There's a spring action here, so you don't have to worry about them falling out, and place it on one side here like that, and let's see if we can get this in like that, one side or the other, and get those pins to lock in is the problem. There we go, there's one. See the pin, I got it just inside here, and this side is on the outside, so we just push that pin, and there you go. Just make sure the pins are back out, the springs are back out, and there we go. Now it's not going to come on because it needs to be plugged in. I think it's the input needs to be plugged in, or the output, I'm not sure. Once that happens, it makes a connection and the battery will come on if you turn it on. I can test that for you, just to be sure, so we'll know. Let's have a cord here. Let's see. There you go. It's a little transformer, so let's see if it works on the output. Nothing. So it'll power off. As you see, I just have it. You just put your guitar cord in here, power on, power off. Thanks for watching.